how to see who saved your TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can see who has saved or downloaded your TikTok. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you open up TikTok and you're concerned about the people who have maybe just saved it over here, and even after you've saved it, let's say that you've basically went ahead and then actually downloaded those TikToks to your phone, and then you want to see the name of the people who have downloaded it. Can you do that? So if I just come to my profile page here, and then if I just open a random TikTok, right over here you can see the save icon and it just shows 1. So it means that TikTok does give you a number of people who has happened to save your TikTok videos, but there is no way that you can see if they have saved your TikTok video as to who the person really is. And you can of course disable the settings to prevent people from downloading or saving your videos inside the settings and privacy. So if I just come to this option over here, tap the three lines option, I go to settings and privacy, then if I go to the download section over here, I will be able to actually turn off wherever if people I want to allow downloads or not. So you can say download is on. If I turn this off, people will not be able to download my TikTok videos. But as I said, you can see a number of people who has saved your TikTok, but you will not be able to precisely see them who the person really is. Hopefully if in the future they might come up with a feature that does let you see, then I'll make sure to update you about it. So do make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.